like growing rhubarb here in Brynsiencyn on Anglesey because it's a great crop. You put it in once and then you can harvest it over many years if you look after it. It's fantastic in the kitchen. It's great with things like mackerel and pork, but you can also use it in puddings, make preserves and crumbles. It really is a great product for making many, many dishes, and that's why we love to grow it. I'm James Hooton from Hootons on Anglesey. I've been at home now working on the farm for 30 years. We started off quite simply with some strawberries and asparagus. We developed the farm shop about 20 years ago and went into many more different crops. We've gone on to expand and open more farm shops. We've got one in Llanfa, one in Carnarvon, and obviously the first one back in Brynsiencyn, along with a busy pick your own just up the road. So recently we've launched Fferm Rhubarb Ynys Môn, Anglesey Rhubarb Farm. We've branded our rhubarb in this way because we feel that as we get bigger and can send our produce across Wales, people understand Anglesey and they know what great produce comes from Anglesey. We pick our rhubarb fresh daily so that when it goes into our shops it's better than people can get from anywhere else. The process is fairly simple. We just pull it and cut the top off. It ends up in our shops within half an hour being picked. And also our wholesale customers really like the fact that we pick to order. So rhubarb they have today would have been picked yesterday afternoon. So I've been working with Mae Môn Larder and Menter Môn now on this rhubarb project. We quickly worked out that if we want to supply large customers we needed accreditation, and Red Tractor was the one to have. Everyone understands Red Tractor, it's a mark of quality. The process took over 12 months from start to finish. It's a big piece of work. I did get help from an advisor, which was crucial, and this took me out of my comfort zone, but we're really pleased that we've put it all together and we're now Red Tractor compliant.
Da ni wedi gwirioni bod Hootons wedi cyrraedd y marc safon yma. Da ni'n falch iawn o wedi mynd ar y daith efo nhw a dysgu am y broses. Fel arfer, mae'r label Tractor Coch yn cael gysylltu hefo cig ac yn yr llaeth. Ond yn yr achos yma, mae wedi cael ei gysylltu hefo ffrwyth a llysiau ac hefo Hootons, hefo rhuwbob. A wedyn, da ni'n gobeithio o gael yr Achrediad yma, bydd brand Hootons yn cael ei gyrfhau a bydd modd nhw fynd i marchnadoedd mwy nag oedd ddim yn bosib cyn cael yr Achrediad a Tractor Coch.
We're feeling really positive about our rhubarb enterprise now, and we're looking forward to getting it out across the whole of Wales, so keep an eye out for rhubarb in puddings in great hotels and restaurants throughout Wales.